and make the sprint for the finish. Oh, just a little bit of a delay with the sniper because he took a bit of time on that first shot and the last shot. His assaulter could have had to wait for him to get in the position before he could be lifted onto the shoulder and then shoved across that zip line. So that's cost them time, and I don't think they're going to come home any quicker than they did last year. Remember, 2:53 was their time last year. We've crossed the 3-minute mark. So they are slower than what they did in 2025 across the finish line in 3:12 dead. Rwanda team 2, the first of the Rwanda teams to go out this year.